Hello everyone, today I am checking out Gears of War Reloaded on my PC with the MSI OLED monitor, and honestly, it looks mind blowing. The graphics are super sharp, the colors look alive, and the dark scenes feel so real with those deep OLED blacks. This game already has epic visuals, but on this monitor, it's like a whole new level. So stick around till the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Jack, rip that door.
What are you doing here?
Getting you out. Here, put this on. You'll need it.
You could get in a lot of trouble for doing this.
Not anymore. Things have changed. We better go.
What about the other prisoners? You can't just leave them here.
They're gone. Hoffman pardoned everybody.
Is that right?
Welcome back to the army, soldier.
Shit.
Let's go. We've got two options. We can go back the way I came, through the guards' quarters. It takes time, but it's safe. Or we can go through the prison blocks and get right into the fight. Your choice.
Let's take the prison blocks. I'm ready to kick some ass.
Hell yeah. Let's do it. 6-4, this is Delta 2. We are en route. Over.
Copy that. We are beginning our run. 6-4 in position. Fox 1, Fox 1.
Hey! 6-4, this is Delta 2. Hold your fire. We are inside the prison. Over.
Roger that. Holding fire. Advise you relocate ASAP.
Man, if Command knew I was here to get you, I'd be in some deep shit. Come on, let's go.
Nice.
What the hell's been going on in this prison?
You don't want to know.
Ground units are taking heavy fire. We have hostiles in all directions. Copy that. Calling for reinforcements. Over.
Marcus! The tower!
Take cover!
6-4, we are moving to your location. Over.
Copy that. We are clearing
King
area
Raven,
for
Delta
extraction.
2. We've got a locust on that bridge. Over.
Roger that. Moving in.
Marcus, grab the grenades.
Nice. Back in your hole!
Okay, I think we're good. Let's grab some ammo.
Marcus, they're cutting through the door.
Take cover! Take cover! Get ready. Here they come! Let's get out there. Delta 1, this is Delta 2. We are ready for extraction. Over.
Copy that.
Good to go.
Enemy units right there, over. I see them. Moving in.
Flank left.
More are coming. 2 clicks to your right. Can you
Nice.
suppress? Over. Negative. We can only cover one target. We need your guns. Over.
Let's go!
Negative, negative. We are also taking heavy fire. Stand by. Incoming. Now! Now! Oh, shit! This is 6-1. I'm hit. I'm hit. Controls, not... 6-1 is down. I repeat, 6-1 is down. Be advised, we are aborting mission. Repeat, we are aborting mission. Retrieving Delta Squad now. Delta, there's something moving below ground. Over. I see it too. What are we looking at? Hell if I know.
Marcus, we've got to move to the Raven now! Go, go, go!
Welcome to Delta Squad.
Where are we going?
Embry Square. Colonel Hoffman's waiting for us.
Hoffman. Oh, shit. This is gonna be awesome.
Hey, are you the Marcus Phoenix? The one who fought at Asfield Fields?
Yep.
Wow, cool!
Not really.
Traitor like you doesn't deserve to wear the uniform.
Looks to me like you need all the help you can get.
Step aside. Lieutenant, I've got good news. We have a plan to end this war. Once and for all.
Yeah, right.
Sensors are picking up enemy movement, sir, close by.
Locust! Take cover! Move! Shit! We now have the light mass bomb. I'll take out all these bastards with one shot. But it can't work if we don't have the targeting data. That's why we need the resonator. It'll map their tunnels so that we can hit those sons of bitches where they live.
Now I'm pissed.
Up there! We lost contact with Alpha Squad. Last transmission was from Embry Square. I want you to get in there, find those men, and deploy that resonator.
Will we have air support?
What? Are you kidding? You are the support, son!
Down to 2!
Nemesis are keeping our birds out of the area. You'll have to move in on foot.
We're screwed.
All clear!
But the lieutenant here will be feeding you intel.
Yes, sir. And the smart thing to do right now would be to leave.
You, get it done! I expect you to give me 110%, Phoenix!
I'm not doing this for you. Enemy reinforcements!
Take cover!
That one was on the house. Good luck, Delta.
Get up those stairs. Alpha's waiting.
Okay, man, here we go. You still got it?
I guess we'll find out, huh?
I can't see it!
Sweet.
Grubs! Marcus! Flank him!
Oh yeah!
Marcus, flank left! Fire in the hole! Nice!
Damn it!
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Control, this is Delta. We have visuals on Alpha. Possible KIA. No sign of resonator.
Roger that, Delta. Keep looking.
I'll open the door. I've got the code.
Scratch one grub. Oh yeah! Let's do this.
Control, this is Delta. We have visuals on Alpha. Possible KIA. No sign of resonator.
Roger that, Delta. Keep looking.
I'll open the door. I've got the code.
Fire in the hole!
You're blocking my shots? Oh yeah! Lock and load.
I hope that's not Rojas down there. His little boy just turned 2 last week.
Well, it could be Alpha.
Cog tags are gone.
Is that the resonator?
Nah.
Now what?
Let's get that resonator.
Marcus. What do you think?
What do I think? Could be Alpha, or it could be the Locust setting a trap. There's only one way to know for sure.
Inside the House of Sovereigns.
Our next target is House of Sovereigns. Straight ahead. Move!